BMF.
Nate Shaw coming to you live again from Studio 2 at the Brooklyn Music Factory. I'm here to talk to you today about why we love to jam together, why we insist in every private lesson and in every band class that our musicians are playing music with each other. There are 4 reasons why we see it as essential. The first reason is that it's an amazing motivator for our musicians, right? The musicians that learn to play music together from that little age of 4 all the way on up, those are the musicians that are going to jam for life. It's as simple as that. Number 2, those blams, big lessons about music. Jamming together is a great way to level them up and to test where you're at. Blam games focus on 4 areas. Rhythm, harmony, melody, songwriting. All great musicians need to develop skills in all 4. Jamming together is a way for our musicians to assess where they are today and where they need to be tomorrow. Number 3, jamming together is a great way to encourage our musicians to check their ego at the door. Now, we have a core value at the Brooklyn Music Factory, which is we discover everyone's story. We are totally 100% committed to equally valuing all our musicians' unique contributions. Jamming together encourages that kind of respectful view of every musician in the room. And then the 4th reason why we jam together is because we have a ton of professional musicians that are parents here. And for the longest time, we weren't quite sure why they would always come to Brooklyn Music Factory with their kids. And then we realized it's because professional musicians have been on their path for the whole life, and they understand the ultimate destination, which is to make music with other people. All of that technique, all of that practicing, all that time they put in the practice studio has one end goal, and that's to jam with other musicians. Imagine for a second if you were on a soccer team and all you did was drills, but you never got to play a game. It's crazy to think about, but a lot of musicians end up down that path. So we're totally committed to jamming together here at the Brooklyn Music Factory, and that is why. Dig it.
BMF.